All right, back we go. Sunday, March 7th. Checking out some of these stocks. Let's move to CTXR. You see this big, move back and forth down. It's been in a downtrend. Yeah, really found the bottom below 50 cents. And look at this trend line right at 150. Big trend line. The double bottomed right here, but up to 150. The low getting higher, higher, higher. Look at this one all the way up to 275 plus. So you have a big range here, a broadening wedge here and here. Where's this going to go? It's going to go all the way back to this trend line, which is 110-ish, possible. This is still trending down. So this might be a fake out. You might even get a move up here, then come back down. That's one scenario. The market's strong. This might bounce right back up and start to grind back up. So if that does, look for 250, 275 eventually. Maybe a few weeks. If that doesn't work, we come back down. This trend line is very important at 110. See this? Because look at the low here, here, here. You're getting higher each time, which is a good sign. The trend is up on this stock. It's very important. Stochastics is going down now, so you need to bounce up on this. So watch for them areas on CTXR. What else we got? SXC. If I'd done this stock, this went over 1, 4, back down to 3, sort of grinded here in this little trend line. Broke above 4. This one was high as near 7. Big run. Look at this run. Then we came back and forth. Got to break above this line now. So you have a hanging cross, usually a reversal, very oversold. Stopped at 3. That's your stop now. Probably put this down here. Right here. So you had to move up, came back down. The high keeps getting lower, the low is getting lower. Where's your stop here? So you have to look at 3. If we move up, I'm looking grind here 4 to 5 plus. So that's the scenario. This goes up and we retest that eventually. It could take a while, a few weeks maybe plus. And the low here, it's really just 3. So to me, it's 3 because that's that big cross down. That's a reversal candle. We'll see if that confirms next week. And if it goes lower, that's way too low. You don't want to be in it there. You got to watch your stops. SYN, talked about this one many times, has a big gap. 2, 150-ish, 2 is a big line. This is a back and forth between 1 and just about 25 cents. See this back and forth many times, hit 25 and bounced really hard January. Up to 150 plus, came back, came near 125, and then really just faded. This is another one, really faded big time. Stochastics 1137, already oversold. Is this going to go back to 25-ish, 30, 25 cents? Yeah, if we bounce here 60, I could see 75 $1. That's one possible scenario. Bounce right up, or we could just sort of grind up, sort of go back up, or just fades back down. Eventually get a bounce again from here, because look how many times it did this. Go all the way back, big cluster here, 2020 right here. So that's a few moves that could happen on this stock. Yeah, I like how this is going down. It's really oversold too. So you could get just maybe one big bounce. Then, what happens if that's questionable? But there's a few scenarios on that. So watch your levels, your stop, resistance levels, and support levels on this. Being very oversold, it's tough being short here because eventually you're going to get a big bounce. Who knows if it's this, but that's what happens. When things go straight up, you got to watch your being up that high, you get crushed. And that's what happened too. Just the same as your short. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Stock Twits, Mike Kim Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. And YouTube, smash and like. Leave comments about stocks you're in or these stocks. Any other comments is always good. Appreciate the support. Peace.